Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to find the factorial of any positive integer by using functions. So let's get started. Suppose n is the variable which store the integer value that user entered. So that's why I am using integer function here, and then in input I am typing a message for the user. Enter a number. Now I am going to define a function, the name factorial, so I am using fact here, and one argument, suppose argument it is going to take. Now I am using if condition here because if user did not enter any number in n, so this condition will not execute. And under if condition I am using for loop I in range. The range of the for loop I set from 1 to argument plus 1. So this is the range of the for loop. Now first we have to make a variable factorial. Factorial is a variable which value is 1. We are defining it under the function. So I am using it factorial is equals to factorial multiply by I. So in this step the initial value of factorial is 1, and according to the range of the for loop, whatever the user entered here will automatically multiply with factorial. So and thus we get the factorial of the number that user entered. Now I return the value factorial. Alright. Now this program is completed. Now just we have to call the function. So we can call the function. I am using string formatting to call the function. So the factorial is, and under parenthesis I am using fact and n. Now as you can see, if I run this program, it is asking to input a number. Suppose I enter 4 here and press enter. You can see here the factorial is 24. Now if I again run this program and enter 6 here, press enter, you can see the factorial is 720. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.